Okay, first of all, hey everyone. It took me so long to say this. Okay, so this was shot a month ago, like a month ago. And don't ask me why it took me so long to post. You already know me, right? Like, you know me already. Okay, but anyways, this was the whole moving to hostel story, from messy packing to emotional goodbyes to everything in between, the packing, the chaos, everything. So I actually started packing exactly 3 days before moving to hostel. It was actually fine. It wasn't that chaotic, but also the second day was. First day I just folded clothes and put them into my bag. It wasn't a big deal. But then the second day where I wanted to figure out what stuff I need to take, how should I organize them, putting all of them into packets and all of that, it was a bit overwhelming. Also, guys, did you guys notice this jewelry organization box? Like, that was this Ferrero Rocher chocolate ka dabba, and I used it into my earring organizer. And also, I got these demi-fine jewelry from Palmonas, not at all sponsored. But you know, right, we can't take these gold jewelry to hostel, so I just got them and packing all of these other miscellaneous stuff. Also, I had a plan to make this video of hostel essentials, but then you know me, it took me so long to post this video, and I assume that most of you have uh, moved to hostel already, obviously, and you guys have also given your midsems maybe. My midsems are in November, maybe, like kind of, yeah. So I'll be updating you on that too. Our next vlog is gonna be this first 1 month in hostel. How did I spend in college hostel? Also, I'll be revealing my college soon. Like, there's nothing so special about my college to not be revealed. It isn't a big secret, so obviously I'll do reveal it. And so yeah, the whole second day went off in packing my books, jewelry, stuff, medicines. Medicine get really helpful. Books, hair accessories, and all of them. You can just watch it in 2x.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down.
So day 2 was done like that, and moving on to day 3, I got my new haircut done. I don't know, but why do girls have this love and hate relationship with this haircut? Like, the last time I got my haircut, I was like so happy with it. But then this time, when I got my haircut done, I wasn't so satisfied. I could have gone to the same place. But no, I wanted to experiment. So I went to this new place. It wasn't that bad, but it's just that I wasn't satisfied. My mom was making some healthy snacks for me while I was wandering around the house looking for things to grab and just put them into my bag. Also, spent some really good family time playing cards and also met my friends later. Day 3 was all chill, nothing to do. Like, there was so much to do, but I didn't do anything. That's another point. But then it was day 4, the final day to move. And I was doing this last minute packing, obviously. Like, everything was ready, like almost. But still, I wanted to grab everything which caught my eye. Like, I was like, I need that too, I need everything. Like, I guess I packed half of my room. Also arranged these important documents for reporting day. And then I've realized on the last day that, oh, I need to clear up my digital space for storage. Like, I have these storage issues. I don't know, like, yeah, like Google storage issues. So I have just transferred all of my photos and videos to the pen drive, and it took a lot of time. And still, in the last moment, I went for shopping outside. Not the shopping, but just some random stuff. And then arrived my shoe cars. So I just kept all my shoes, sandals, all of them into that, packed, and again opened my suitcase to put them inside.
A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken.
And then came my friends in the evening, like it was 5 or 6 maybe. A few of my friends came to my home. Like, it wasn't a surprise, but I felt genuinely happy. They came here to give me a proper send off, and I just opened my memories box. Like, I don't know if anyone have that or it is only me doing all of these drama, but I don't know. I love collecting my memories, like all of those. What do we say? Slam book letters, all of them. These are my friends who are super camera shy, and then spent some good time with them, got ready, and again, last minute packing just before an hour. So I was doing that and almost ready, but somewhere my heart was heavy, like, oh, I need to leave now. You know, that last moment realization when it actually hit you that, okay, I'm leaving and it's actually happening. That was the moment. So I couldn't sleep the whole night, obviously. Like, I was thinking, who are gonna be my new friends? How's the day gonna be? Like, everything, all of these thoughts kept moving in my mind. And somehow the time should pass and the reporting day arrived. I'll let you know my college really soon. Like, this is our college. Most probably in our next video, maybe. Yeah. So I went inside to report all of these documents and hostel allotment letters to know which hostel I belong to, which room, my roommates, my keys, everything. Everything was so exciting. But then back in my mind, I always had this, okay, 1 hour left, 2 hours left. My parents will be going now. Okay, 1 hour left. This was always in my head, so constant. Like, yeah, it was exciting, but still, you know that feeling, right? And and all the 2 hours, like how much time I was there inside the reporting area. My dad was waiting outside the window. He was just roaming around searching, where am I? Where am I? And then I was too lazy to fill all of these information. So I just gave it to my dad from the window. He just filled all of them and gave me back. That was so sweet. And then for lunch, we had lunch in college itself. We had some chicken fried rice or something. That was good. And then the day was done. And to my surprise, my parents were like, we'll go to aunt's place and stay there tonight. And tomorrow morning, we'll drop you off at the college and then we'll be leaving. That made me so happy for some reason. And we went to my aunt's place. We watched movie. We went to movie at night. That was so good. And then morning, obviously, I was back to my hostel, took all these suitcase, bags, mattress and everything. It took a lot of time to organize, and most of my roommates didn't arrive. Only one person was there by the time I arrived. And this is our room right now, and I'll also let you know in detail in my upcoming videos. So it was all raining and the weather was so good that day. And then I had to pack all of my clothes in the cupboard because I need to handle this big suitcase to my mom because I don't have place to put all of these. So I just threw clothes inside, like didn't even organize properly. I just threw them inside and still it was looking fine. So yeah, that's all for the home to hostel move-in vlog. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye bye. See you later.